Hey guys, welcome to Woodzman Adventures. So me and the wife were out on the Goldwing. We're in Southern California, out in the mountains. I think it's San Bernardino National Forest, but I think it's the San Gabriel Mountains probably. Out doing some riding. This is the second part of it's actually a loop that Kyle Bradshaw from Nelson Rigg sent me and said it'd be a beautiful ride for us to take on the Goldwing, so that's what we're doing. We went to the beach a couple days, spent all day at the beach. How many hours we figure we spent at the beach?
Probably 15 or more
Yeah, quite a bit, both days total.
at 3 beaches.
Man, that was awesome.
Because we went to San Clemente, we went to Laguna, we made it all the way to Newport, turned around, that's when we went back to Laguna. And then yesterday we went to Huntington.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Yes, it was. It was awesome.
This is awesome, it's just different kind of awesome.
Yes.
Definitely better riding here than over to the beach.
Yeah, because you're always constantly having to stop in the stoplights and stop signs.
But this is our last day here, full day here, so we're doing the ride today.
Boo.
And then tomorrow morning we actually head back to Arizona.
Yep.
Go back and go get Cricket.
Yep. He's missing us, Scotty said.
He's over at my son's house visiting them for a week.
He stays glued to Angie, though, because he loves Angie.
Yeah. This is really beautiful up through all these pines.
Yes, it is. We haven't seen no bears or anything. It'd be cool to get to see one walk across the road as long as he, keeps trucking.
Yeah. We haven't seen no wildlife at all, no deer or nothing.
Nope.
Ain't seen no
Only
wildebeest,
squirrels.
no alligators, nothing up here.
Only the squirrels
Yeah.
and a few birds. That's it. That's all the wildlife we've seen. We didn't even see no dolphins or anything at the ocean. No jellyfish. We did see one stingray because the guy caught it on the pole.
Yeah,
A little
that's
one.
cool.
A little one. But yep. That's the only sea creature that we've seen. Besides a few fish that people caught, but that's nothing compared to the big stuff that you actually want to see.
So this road we're on is Rim of the World Highway. I can see why, it's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm. Old Hill Road.
Turn left on Old Hill Road.
Beautiful, 77 degrees right here. It's warmer and cooler depending on the elevation we're at. It's 10 minutes till noon on a Thursday. Our elevation is 4,755 feet. Right now. But not now.
Burr.
Burr.
Yeah, that was cold.
It was awesome. Awesome.
I'm a little bit of a wimp. I don't like the super cold air. It's one thing if I'm super hot and I feel a cool breeze like that. Yeah, it feels good, but I'm not hot.
Crestline, Lake Gregory.
1,000 feet. Sharp left on the Lake Arrowhead.
Yeah. He don't like us.
Nope.
Battery's wanting us to stop and pet him.
Yeah, probably bite your hand off.
He's wagging his tail like he's friendly.
Mm. Oh, the squirrels! Oh, there was two of us down there getting something. And I said, "Oh," and they both jumped.
Squirrels.
Yeah, they were like in a little pothole. It was funny.
We're on the rim of the world.
Well, it kind of feels like that, huh?
Check that out.
Take a picture. Oh, come on, phone.
That looks like snow on them mountains over there.
Could be. You never know.
You get a picture?
Yep. Yep.
On California 18. Remind.
Rim Forest.
Sky Park. Another little town. Huh?
Yep.
Yep.
$4.89 for gas. Our elevation now, 5,543 feet. Yeah, it looks like snow over there.
It might be. Who knows?
Big Bear Lake. That's where we're headed. See if we can see a big bear swimming in the lake. Oh, it feels good up here. Are you cold yet?
Yeah.
You want your jacket?
No, I'm fine. All done without it all this time right now, so. Got a big old school up here.
No doubt. Being way up here in the mountains.
Quarter mile. Turn left. California 173 way.
Biker dude.
Mm-hmm.
Going to Lake Arrowhead. First, evidently.
They've got a hospital up here too.
California 173 west for 1.5 miles.
Wow, that's cold enough. It's giving me goosebumps.
Feels good, huh?
If we stop down here, I'm probably going to get my jacket anyways.
I can stop right here.
Holy crap.
You can put the brace on this baby.
No joke. Jeez Louise, babe.
Well, that's what happens when you step in loose gravel and your foot slides. It's kind of freaky. Freaky.
Okay, I'm ready. That'd be better. Doesn't bother my legs, it just bothers my arms.
Doesn't bother mine when you're
No.
cold.
Oh no.
In a quarter mile, turn right on Eagle Street Drive.
Another little town up in here.
Yep. Apparently they may have a McDonald's too, because they have a sign for it.
I see that.
Said they had a hospital down in here too.
Turn right on Dimitri Drive. Then you will arrive at the street.
Arrived at our on what?
See, Lake Arrowhead Village.
Right here, it's telling us it's our destination.
I think it's flipped its lid.
Yeah.
I think you need to turn around. You probably need to go to that sign that was in the road.
Or Bluebell Drive West, Bluebell Lane.
Yeah, that's flipped its dibber.
Dip the dipper. Now, what was you saying before that?
Probably need to see about going, like, it's probably trying to tell you that sign down there.
Turn right on
No, this was just
California
this stop was
Then turn right to
Oh.
stay on
End of
California
that.
173 West.
to that point on the map.
Oh,
So we made it to, I guess, Arrowhead.
yeah, because it's got a big sign down here you can take a picture of.
Where? Oh, really?
Yeah. See it?
Oh, yeah. Just don't know how we could park there.
Turn right to stay on California 173 West.
There's not a place to park there.
No, there's not. Probably a place to turn around somewhere.
Look at that green bear there.
Right on California Road.
Oh, that's cute. They got two of them. Trying to get my phone to work. Dang it. Why does it do that?
There's a
Head north
giraffe.
on Village Road.
Yeah. Guess we can stop here and I can get a picture. They got a big tall bear holding a flag
Turn
too.
left onto Village Bay. Turn left onto California 173 West.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to get a picture of them from here because you can't walk in their flower bed. I can get a picture of its butt.
You can walk the sidewalk around right there.
Ready. Ready. I could have gotten it if my phone would have wouldn't have glitched out on me. Been having lots of issues with my phone lately. There's a big bear.
Like
Holding
they
the
made the
flag.
AstroTurf.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Dude. Here, bear. That's cool.
Okay, guys, we have made it to Lake Arrowhead. So we're going to get off here and we'll do the next leg of this journey. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell icon. You'll be notified when we put out a new video, which will be soon. We'll catch you all in the next adventure. Ride on.